How do you deal with procrastination? By taking action. How do you deal with fear? Taking action. How do you deal with distractions? Taking action. How do you deal with overthinking what you must do? Taking action. Just doing things. Putting in the repetition. Procrastination, fear, distractions, overthinking will always be present. You need to do things so that you can counter-attack those negative things in your mentality that wants to hold you back, so that you can be stuck and stagnant in your career path. Those voices will always be present. You simply need to put in the reps. The repetition will allow you to beat procrastination, fear, overthinking, getting distractions. So remember this. Thank you and you're welcome.